Hamara Bajaj, written by E. Huck, published in the year 2022. I was in school at the time, and like most of you who grew up watching Doordarshan in the 1990s, I too loved watching Chitrahar on Wednesday at 8 p.m. and again on Friday at 8 p.m. However, I am not sure how many of you would remember there were a few popular TV serials like Neem Ka Pet, Sansar, and Byomkesh Bakshi, in addition to the famous comedy series Mungeri Ke Bhai Naurangi Lal, which all aired on different nights of the week. I am assuming most of you watched these TV series with your parents in bed or while playing with your siblings at home. For me, it was different. I actually grew up watching these TV serials with my late maternal grandfather and my mamas at their home, not at my parents' home. Why? Because I simply felt more loved and more pampered by my grandparents who lived about 300 meters from my parents' home. What happy and beautiful times we had back then watching these television series over dinner and then preparing beds for each other while playing, beginning with preparing Nana's bed and then for the rest of us. Once beds were prepared and Grandpa lay down, we would often massage his legs. The right leg was usually reserved for my younger Mamu. I hope he reads this story and can remember some of those beautiful memories. And the left leg for me. We would gently press our hands against his legs to comfort him, and we would watch the TV series for about an hour or so, or Grandpa would narrate the two of us the stories about his childhood, from his days as an unemployed boy who lost his father while he was still in school to finding a job at Steel Authority of India Limited and eventually retiring as one of the most honest amongst his colleagues before finally parting us all as the most respectful man and most loved person in my life. You can't talk about the 90s TV shows without mentioning the commercials from that era. That is not possible. In fact, when I think of 90s, I am reminded of those beautiful ads with mesmerizing visuals and unforgettable slogans, and how those advertisements truly reflected the aspirations and dreams of a progressive India, a wanting to be something India on the global arena, whether it was Amul, the taste of India, Pepsi, a dil mange more, कैडबरी डेयरी मिल्क्स कुछ खास है हम सभी में, और द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल टीवी एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स हमारा बजाज बाय द बजाज itself. Bajaj scooter and its ad slogan Hamara Bajaj, like for many of you, have been an integral and unforgettable part of my life. Life in Bokaro revolves around sale, and when I think of the 90s world there, I think of little families who had just gotten a job at sale and settled there in government quarters. They had just purchased a Bajaj Chetak scooter, with Papaji riding, Mammaji mostly sitting with a younger kid in the rear seat, and the elder kid would stand on the front dicky space of the scooter. There is a little bit of sale in everyone's life, says the sales ad slogan, and I don't think any slogan could be more fitting for the company, at least from the perspective of all those living and around Bokaro, be a morning tea hawker to the managing director of the steel plant itself. All of my grandfather's life, he rode a Bajaj scooter, most likely a Bajaj Chetak. His work shifts would frequently alternate between the early morning shift and the evening shift. He would leave home for the morning shift at 5 or 5:30 a.m. Of course, I would not be up or out of bed by that time, but on many occasions, when he would return from the work after doing an evening shift, I would run for the gate and open it. Now comes the most funniest part of my experience with Hamara Bajaj. Remember how the Bajaj scooter would frequently fail to ignite, bringing the rider embarrassment sometimes in the market and sometimes in the neighborhood? What used to be his reaction was real fun. Simply puts the scooter on a stand, tilt it towards himself, and try start up again. Surprisingly, the scooter would instantly start. I am not sure why it happened, but it happened to all Bajaj scooter riders, and my grandfather's Bajaj scooter, or let us just call it Hamara Bajaj, was no exception. So, every evening from the time I was in third or fourth grade until I passed from 10th grade, I would go to my grandparents' house. Imagine the madness of a kid. In fact, on the days when my mother could not prepare the evening snacks in time, or let us say it was already dark by the time I had my dinner at home, one of the mamas or my grandfather himself would come to pick me up and take me with them. I think all children love playing with their grandparents who see a glimpse of their own childhood in their grandchildren. Grandparents, I believe, discover some kind of divine comfort in their grandchildren as their own sons and daughters are busy building their own lives, careers, and families. I feel that grandparents deserve this little piece of happiness of being able to play with their grandkids in exchange or as a token of gratitude for how hard they have struggled to raise their own kids. That was a small story of Hamara Bajaj and a small tribute to Padma Bhushan Rahul Bajaj, the visionary industrialist and possibly one of the few Gandhian industrialists left in the country who believed in giving the big Indian middle class the wings to fly with two wheels of joy and happiness, and one who believed in making Buland Bharat ki Buland Tasveer, the grand picture of the great India. Thank you very much.